Tonight we're gonna do a really simple body oil using jojoba oil. We're gonna do 10 drops of bergamot and 20 drops of geranium oil. These are both really uplifting, emotionally uplifting oils. They're also really, really good for your skin. And then we're using 3 teaspoons of rose. All right, so all of your neighbors or maybe you have lots of rose bushes out. This is a great time to go pick some of those roses that are falling off, dry them out so you can have them for your body oil. So what we're gonna do here, I've got 6 ounces of the jojoba. I'm gonna pour this in. And the nice thing about this body oil is it gets better with time. All right, and I have this little funnel, and I'm going to do the 20 drops geranium. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Ooh, a little 21. Okay. Reagan, do you want to count to 10 bergamot?
Sure.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
3,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8, 9,
10. That one goes out a lot quicker. All right. Now we're just gonna pop these dried rose petals in our oil. And again, all summer long you can use this and it will get better and better as the dried rose petals infuse into the oil with the jojoba and the geranium and the bergamot.
This looks like my Sims 4.
And this is an 8-ounce bottle. And there you go. You have a body oil that is wonderful for your skin and very uplifting for your emotions to use all summer long.